E tuana a Waitaha ki te whatarangi, kia rite tōna patu poiuka, kia tukana te pōro ki tua.
Everyone's got good competition, world-class players all around from every team, so it's tough everywhere, can't let up for anyone.
It's a big learning curve for me. This is my first one. As a development team, getting to go against some world-class pitchers and players, it's a real good experience.
E kōkiri ana te whakataetae ā-motu mo te poiuka. He āheinga tēnei whakataetae kia eke ngā kaitākaro o ngā ā-rohe ki ngā kapa ā-motu. Pēnei ia Bronson Harper no te kapa o Canterbury Waitaha, kua tūātia ia ki te kapa Junior Black Sox.
It's a real honour, especially always putting on the fern, it's always a good honour. And it's good coaching from all our coaches, Gino, JK, Isaac Fletcher, we got all real good coaches, everyone's supporting us, so and we've got a good crew behind us. So obviously we get to interact with other players from other provinces, so it's real good to interact with them.
Koni atu I te iwa o ngā rohe e tuki ana ki runga I te whira. He tuatahitanga hoki tēnei mā Corbin Tūwairua, kia eke ki tēnei taumata.
As we're a development team, no one's expecting us to get a title, but we just need to remember to keep playing hard, going against these real experienced players, expand my kite mātauranga for the sport.
E ai ki te kaiwhakahaere matua o poiuka Aotearoa, a Rebecca Annan, neke atu I te ono te kau o ngā kaitākoro huri noa I te motu, he Māori. Ka mutu kua tutuki pai te kapa Black Sox ki tā wāhi. Hui anō, ka kore tēnei hākinakine e mana o rite ana ki tērā o te neti pōro me te whutu pōro.
We are the most decorated in terms of World Cups, which is fantastic. I think it's really about exposure, so back in the day, our peak, we're probably at around about 50,000 players. So if you don't get broadcast deal, it's really, really hard to obviously get your sport out there. And so that's why I've got a really concerted effort in terms of what we're doing.
Haunga atu I te āhuka-huka, kei runga te wairua hihiko o te whakataetae.
He pai te wairua I tēnei wā. E rua noi ho ngā kapa. It's awesome to see all of the other teams here.
Every game has been tough for us, honestly. Very tight games. There's some good players across the motu.
What goals do you have for this tournament? This tournament, just hit the ball. That's my goal. Hit the ball, catch the ball.
Ka haere tonu tēnei whakataetae tainoa ki te rātapu, ka whakare waina te toa o te whakataetae o Aotearoa whānui hei taua wā. Shakayla Andrews Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.